Right, it's Wednesday, October 2nd, just following up on Broadcom, AVGO. This is the 1 minute chart. Being very conservative on it and scaling out to set up an overage trade. I bought it here at this lower blue line, just scaled out here to set up an overage trade. Again, on the 15-minute chart, it was breaking out on bar number 2. It's following through higher on bar number 3. That's what I wanted to see. So I just scaled out a point higher here. I bought the stock at 169.96, scaled out at 171. So it lowers my break even stop somewhere to down here. I'll see if this whole, again, about midpoint of the first bar. I just want to see what really develops today. Is it possible we're going to get kind of a 2-up day developing, or is this just inside price action that's going to pause in here and eventually maybe continue lower in line with the 2-down week that still has a target down here if it should fail? So, if things want to continue lower, we're going to have to get below, the first bar low, as I always look at, the pre-market lows. It obviously didn't want to do that this morning, wanted to start up first. It doesn't mean we've turned the corner yet to the upside, but I kind of like the opening up price action for a little follow through and the potential to surprise people, maybe back to the upside. So now at no risk, I can get to see kind of what forms here on the daily chart. Do we get a 2-up day? Does this 15-minute chart kind of work up and only have orderly pauses and continue higher and with a stop at the midpoint of that first bar? Or is this whole opening move going to fail? But I could see at no risk right now. So let's see what happens today. Still biased a little bit to the downside overall, but I sense that today could be a little tricky day in terms of following through to the downside. I might want to take out stops, on the upside first, and that could be, good basic kind of gains. And who knows, maybe we get a strong move that continues higher and surprises everyone. So no risk right now. Let's see what happens for the rest of the day.